Stop. Here's a question. What does it take to stay healthy? Wait, no. Here's a better one. What do you need to do to stay healthy? Would you rather gulp some disgusting and bitter-tasting syrupy liquid? Repeatedly swallow large amounts of tablets, capsules, and pills? Or savor a nice bowl of hot soup? Feast on a delicious curry dish? And relax over a cup of warm tea? Obviously, the second one is way, way better. Seriously, who would choose to endure the bitter taste of medicine or choke on large tablets over the pleasure of eating a delicious meal while enjoying a cup of tea? Yeah, that's right. We thought so too. And because we are committed to give you the convenience that you always deserve while giving you the best care for your overall health and wellness, Unified has created the perfect health solution for you and your loved ones. Forget those meds. Forget the tablets. Forget the worries. Introducing the perfect food supplement for the people who are sick of worrying, sick of taking meds, and sick of being sick. Golden Nature Turmeric Tea. Turmeric has been used as an effective herbal medicine for many years to boost the immune system because of its high antiviral, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. Aside from making tea, turmeric powder is also used as a delicious seasoning for our favorite dishes, such as fried rice, soup dishes, and of course, everyone's favorite, the curry. But wait, there's more! The best part in this product is the addition of other powerful ingredients: ginger, ashitaba, soursop, gotu kola, peppermint, bitter melon, lemongrass, banaba, sambal, honey powder, and cocoa sugar. Yep, you heard that right. This powerful ingredients combined to jumpstart your overall health and wellness. Furthermore, honey powder and cocoa sugar are added to the mix in order to make it more ideal for your sensitive taste buds. Say goodbye to diseases and say hello to the healthy new you. Golden Nature Turmeric Tea. Being healthy should be easy.